Fungi in Space, How Mycology is Changing Astronomy. Number 9. Fungi, the ultimate space traveler. Fungi have been found on all kinds of space missions, from the International Space Station to the surface of Mars and even on the exterior of the Space Shuttle. Number 6. The cosmic connection. Fungi and stars. Fungi and stars may seem like an unlikely pair, but there is a surprising connection between the two. Some fungi have been found to produce compounds that are similar to those found in the reactions of stars, giving us a glimpse into the cosmic origins of these organisms. Check out our channel for the full video with details and the rest of this list about